Hi friends, in this video let us see how to create a shared mailbox. To create a shared mailbox, firstly let us create some users. Go to admin center over here in Office 365. Click on users, click on active users. You can add the users over here. I'm going to add few users over here, friends. Right now I'm adding users. Add user, user X. Okay, I'm creating a user called X for the domain teslagroup.in. Click next. Assign the license. Okay, right now I have 25 license. I'm assigning one license to this particular user. Click next. Click next and click finish. I'm going to add two users, friends. First of all, I have created a user X. Right now I'll go and create a one more user. See, the user X been added with the license Office 365 F3. Right now I'm going to add one more user. I'm adding a user called user Y. Okay, I'm assigning license to this particular user. Click next. Finish adding. Click close. So we have added the user successfully. Now you can click on teams and groups over here, and we have added the user and we have assigned license to those users, and click teams and groups right now and go to shared mailboxes over here. Here you can see add a shared mailbox, right? Click on it. I'm giving a name called support. I'm creating a shared mailbox with the name support. Click save. Okay, the mailbox has been created successfully. You can see here, right? Click on that support and go and edit over here. Right now there are no members in the shared mailbox, so I'm going to add a members in this shared mailbox. For that, click add members over here, and we need to find X and Y. See, X and Y, you can find it over here, right? Add these two users to this shared mailbox and click add over here. See, two users has been successfully added. You can close. See, members X as well as members Y. In this way, the shared mailbox has been created for this user X and user Y. Right now, let us go and log in as a user X and see whether this shared mailbox we are able to log in or not. For this, open a new window with incognito mode. Okay, I'm trying to log in by using the user X right now. See, here you can't see the shared mailbox directly. What you have to do, right click on the folders over here, add the shared folder over here. You have to click this option and give the shared mailbox mail ID. Here our shared mailbox mail ID is support@teslagroup.co.in, right? I'm adding over here. Once you add, you can see what all the list of mails we have received to this particular mail ID. Okay, you can revert to this mail even if you click on reply over here. You from option, it is not showing here, right? You have to go to options and you have to select this option, show from. Right now you are replying to this mail as X, but you have to select your shared mailbox mail ID, that is support. See, right now you are replying to this email as support@teslagroup.co.in as received. Okay, I'm sending this. Click send. So I have replied from shared mailbox to the user. When I go to inbox, refresh once. T user X replied to this whatever the mail you have received, right? To support. In this way, right now we have give permission to two users, right? User X as well as user Y. Let us try to log in as user Y and check whether this conversation is present in that user or not. I'm logging with a user Y right now. Okay, I'm trying to log in as user Y. See, here I have logged as a user Y and open the Outlook from here. Here you can see the shared mailbox. We have received this mail ID and user X have replied to this mail, right? In this way we can see what are the conversation happened, like whom have reverted to this mail and all those stuff from here itself. See friends, one more thing to be noted in this shared mailbox is whenever you create a new mail and sent by using a shared mailbox, then it will be saved under this sent items. But whenever a user revert to this particular mails which he have received on this shared mailbox, it will be sent to his sent items only, friends. This is how the shared mailbox works. Thank you for watching video. Have a nice day.